Meet the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, a collection of Wear OS watches that will lead Samsung's wearable experiences for the upcoming year. I'm actually here in Seoul ahead of Unpacked 2023 to go hands-on with the new devices. Let's go take a closer look. Starting with design, there are a couple of cool changes for this generation of Galaxy Watch. On the Galaxy Watch 6, the frame sits more flush with the display than before, and the bezels are 30% thinner. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic has a 15% thinner physical rotating bezel than before. You can tell it's much less pronounced compared to the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. I have to say it looks much more sleek this way, but you still get that satisfying physical dial for navigation, plus the little subtle clicking sounds. It's like so quiet, but it feels really nice. Both watches also have a new interchangeable band mechanism that Samsung calls One Click. I happen to think it's a big improvement from before. Pair that with some brand new band options for this year, and I have to say this all feels very refreshed. So I mentioned that the Galaxy Watch 6 has thinner bezels than before. The result of that is actually a 20% larger display. The display is also brighter than before, reaching a claimed peak brightness of 2000 nits. Now you'd think that a bigger, brighter display would negatively impact the watch's stamina, but thanks to a bigger battery and newer processor, the Galaxy Watch 6 has the same 40-hour battery life estimate. Obviously, the settings and features you use will impact how long your Galaxy Watch lasts, but in my experience testing Samsung watches, most users can get a full day of use, including overnight. The Galaxy Watch 6 series is strongly prioritizing sleep. We have seen advancements and the addition of new sleep tech features for the past few years, but what's noteworthy on the Watch 6 is the sleep score factor analysis, including time, sleep cycle, awake time, plus physical and mental recovery to help users understand the quality of the sleep they get each night. There's not too much new for fitness tracking. You'll still get the body composition analysis feature, plus SpO2, ECG, and heart rate monitoring. But there is a new personalized heart rate zones feature for workouts, and we'll see Samsung roll out the irregular heart rate rhythm notification feature that detects signs of AFib. The Galaxy Watch 6 also tracks skin temperature to inform things like menstrual cycles. This sensor was announced on the Watch 5, but the feature will work on the Watch 6 at launch. Camera controller is so fun. I love it in the iPhone Apple Watch ecosystem, but what's great about using camera control on the Galaxy Watch 6 is that you can really leverage the flex mode on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. The Galaxy Watch 6 starts at $299, while the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic starts at $399. For the Watch 6 specifically, this is a price jump from the Watch 5, which started $20 cheaper, but it does still undercut the Pixel Watch and Apple Watch. A smart move given how competitive the wearable market is right now. The Galaxy Watch 6 is available starting August 11th, and I'll have a full review coming very soon, so keep it locked to Tom's Guide. For more Unpacked coverage, check us out on Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok at Tom's Guide. And as always, I'm at Kate Kozich. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.